Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about one secret way to make money online, and this is not that old, it's quite recent only, and so many people are making hundreds of thousands if not millions of dollars by this one method. So I'm going to talk about straight to that method and how you can use it and everything about this in this video. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching this video till the end, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are an artist, if you are a print-on-demand seller, or if you love making money online, then subscribe to my channel for more upcoming related content. So let's get straight to this video. So that one secret weapon is crypto art or NFT. If you know about the cryptocurrency or the bitcoins, then you would be aware of what I'm really talking about. But if you are not, then completely fine. I'm going to explain each thing about it in this video, how you can make money as a crypto art, selling your design as an artist, as a designer, or as a print-on-demand seller, and can make money online. So let's straight talk about this. So I'm going to talk about, first of all, what is NFT, non-fungible tokens. So I'm going to talk about what that real definition is so that you would be aware of that, guys. Okay, so in short, for a non-fungible token, a NFT is a registration of the ownership of digital object on a blockchain. So if you guys know about the blockchain or the cryptocurrency or the Bitcoin, that is kind of like related to that as well, and it's quite recent in trends. There are many people in the online world who are investing right now in the NFT and making millions of dollars and more than that money online. So this is NFT is a registration of the ownership of digital object on a blockchain. It can be any type of media, including but not limited to art, videos, music, GIFs, games, text, and memes. So that means that you are giving a registration for the ownership of one particular thing. So in case of crypto art, you're giving the ownership of your artwork, or if you're creating a design, you are giving the ownership of your designs or anything that you are making digitally. So you need to make the digital art, and of course you can convert your traditional art into digital art. That is another route. I've already talked about that, how to convert your traditional art into digital art. If you want to check that video out, you can check that video out in the card section above, guys. But you need to have a digital art or a digital. So what does that term non-fungible part means? Because NFT is non-fungible token. So what does that mean, the non-fungible part? It means the object is unique. It makes irreplaceable. For example, a Bitcoin is a fungible. That means it is a replaceable. Trade one for another Bitcoin and you will exactly have the same thing, explains the verse. One of the kind of trading card, however, is non-fungible. If you traded it for different card, you would be having something completely different. So that means you are giving your ownership or authority of one particular artwork or design to someone else in exchange of the cryptocurrency. Now for the NFT, the main type of cryptocurrency work is the Ethereum, and it allows you to give ownership of your artwork to somebody else in exchange of the money. And since it's irreplaceable, it creates a scarcity that no one can replace, and you only have the ownership and you are giving that ownership to someone else and it can't be replaced. So that creates the huge demand for that particular art. And there are so many online marketplaces right now out there which are allowing you to sell your art, sell your digital art as NFT. So you would be thinking, why is a big deal? Like, why there is so much fuss and talking about the NFT? If you've been in the market, like you've been researching and watching other people, you would be listening about the cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin, the NFTs, the Ethereum, and you would be thinking, why there is so much fuss? What is the FOMO about it? Why people are so eager to invest into this thing and making money in online? What is that big fuss? Let me tell you guys. NFTs are proving to be catalyst in the transformation of the economics of creative activities, allowing creators to monetize directly with their fans, so which is awesome. Being able to create artworks onto the blockchain as NFTs means that artist content can be sold globally on a decentralized marketplaces. As if that wasn't enough, NFTs also have a feature that pays the artist a percentage every time the NFT is sold or changes owner. So which is also amazing. By now you may be wondering, why would you want to buy something anyone can enjoy it for free? Why is there so much money? People are giving so much money for buying a piece of art that is just a digital art. You would be thinking that, hey, I can go on any other online marketplace and can buy the digital art. Why this NFT part is so expensive? Why the people are paying so much money for buying such type of art? Well, let me tell you guys, why is that so? The answer is simple. Anyone can see pictures on the internet of the most expensive artworks. Posters are sold in a museum. But the ownership that creates value. So you have the ownership of your own art, which creates value. So with the NFTs, not only do you have the full ownership, you have ownership on the blockchain, you have ownership that is transparent for everyone to see. So why there is a so big fuse and why people paying so much money to buy that type of NFTs for that art and all that? Because it's about the ownership. Like you can see the pictures of the big artworks and all that online, and you can have that kind of digital art and all that. But the term, the ownership creates value, and that costs so many millions and billions of dollars. So that is the all secret behind this NFT, which is creating that value, that is the ownership. That means you have the ownership of your art that you're creating. And in the past couple of weeks, a video by B Bull sold for $6.6 million. Someone paid $3,600 for Gucci Ghost gift, and a collection of digital furniture by Indries Risinger made $450,000 in less than 10 minutes, which is amazing, guys. So that is the digital furniture, then the video, and then the Gucci Ghost. That means the people who are selling these things would have the full ownership of their work, and then they are selling by this NFT to someone else, which is 100% transparent, and giving the full ownership, which creates a value, which allowing other people to purchase at very high value. But the NFTs have been around for quite a while, having one of the first booms in 2017 with the CryptoKitties, one of the world's first blockchain games operating on Ethereum's underlying blockchain network. Today, some of the virtual kittens are on sale and can go up to $1 million. So, which is insane, guys. Now, I'm reading this article. I'm going to link this article in the description box below for you guys to check it out for yourself about the NFTs and why there is so much fuss around it, and why people are paying so much money just to buy the art or just to buy the work, that the digital work, by this blockchain. So, non-fungible tokens and digital goods and collectibles will play a major role in the next era of the digital economy, said Tyler Winklevoss, CEO of Gemini, who acquired Nifty Gateway in 2019. They are perfect form factor for crypto collectibles, crypto art, and much more, laying the foundation for entirely new multi-billion-dollar industries to emerge. So it's the future, guys. This crypto art, the NFTs, or the blockchain, or the cryptocurrency is the future. And you as an artist, you as a designer, you as a print-on-demand seller can take an advantage. Now, guys, if you're creating your own art, you're creating your own designs, you're a print-on-demand seller and creating your own designs, you can sell these designs, buy this NFT in the exchange of the Ethereum, that is a cryptocurrency. Now, of course, it's not that easy route. You need to convert your digital art into that format and creating those keys and signing up onto the different marketplaces that supports this cryptocurrency, this NFT system. You need to sign up onto them, and somehow, like, there are so many marketplaces out there for firms. So in a second, I'm going to talk about these marketplaces. One, they are the open for everyone. You can open up a shop on the day itself. The another one are an approval based, and also, guys, there is a little bit route. You need to convert your digital art. There is a keys and there is a system somewhere you need to actually do that. And then you're gonna sell your art in that form of the NFT and all that. So there is a little bit route, a learning curve is there, because since it's a new, not many people are utilizing it, not many people are aware of it. So it's a new route. So obviously you need to do all those things. But it's pretty amazing because it's the future of our art industry, future of our creative industry, and we being a creative can take an advantage of it. And I would tell you guys, go slow with this thing. If you are seeing something new coming into the market and people are actually hopping onto them and jumping on those things and making big money, I would say research about it, learn about it, and try to see if how you can use that for your in favor. Don't just hop on right now without even thinking about it. No, just prepare the things. Okay, this thing work like this. What are the side effects? How you can control it? How you can make money? And regarding all those exchange currencies and everything, just take a research. Just do the learning curve. Just learn it before actually hopping up, and then hop up and make money. Talk about the different marketplaces where you can sell your art in the form of the NFTs. And okay guys, a few marketplaces are the Nifty Gateway, Maker's Place, Super Rare, OpenSea, Decentraland, and Redbubble. Now from them, some of them are open and some of them you need to get an approval. Now of course guys, I'm also new to this thing and I'm still learning about it, but I thought that it would be more interesting for me to talk about in this video, so that if you guys are interested in that and if you want to make money and if you're interested in this type of thing, then obviously you can go for it, because the future is there for this thing. Many people are right now investing in it, so I'm going to link all these websites in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself about these different marketplaces and where you can sell and all that. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want me to talk more about these marketplaces and various details regarding this crypto art more. If you want me to talk more about it, leave a comment below, let me know. So I'm gonna make another video talking more about it. And now guys, you need to convert your art into the blockchain NFTs and all those things. So there is a learning curve and all those things. If you want me to talk about all those things in a separate video, leave a comment below. I'm gonna make another video. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you know about the crypto art and are you selling your art and everything, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.